Today, we're taking you on a relaxing walking tour of one of the largest and most impressive cruise ships in the world, sailing out of Barcelona and heading to beautiful destinations like Mallorca and iconic ports across Italy. If you're planning a cruise on this ship, here's what you need to know. The Allure of the Seas is like a floating city with multiple decks, neighborhoods, restaurants, entertainment, and activities for all ages. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or as a couple, there's something here for everyone. From pools and shows to dining and shopping. Expect a mix of relaxation and nonstop fun. So it's a good idea to plan your days ahead while leaving room to explore. Our walk today starts as we make our way into Central Park, one of the most unique areas on the ship. Here you'll find a peaceful open-air garden filled with real plants and trees, surrounded by restaurants, cafes, and quiet seating areas. It's the perfect spot to unwind, enjoy a meal, or take a break from the busy parts of the ship. At night, the atmosphere becomes even more special with soft lighting and live music. From there, we'll continue toward the lively boardwalk. This area has a completely different vibe, fun, energetic, and perfect for families. You'll see shops, casual dining spots, and even a carousel. There's always something happening here, from live entertainment to people just enjoying the festive atmosphere. It really feels like a seaside pier right in the middle of the ocean. Finally, our walk will take us all the way to the aft of the ship behind the Aqua Theater, where you'll be greeted with stunning views of the open sea. It's the perfect place to relax, take in the fresh ocean breeze, and enjoy the endless blue horizon. If you enjoy walking tour videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating more content like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy the tour.
Aber keine Zeit für. Und nur Ruhe.
He's in police custody now. Let me know when you're up again. That's gonna be.
You have to watch. Did you watch
The good thing is that they are short contracts, 3 months. Just in the United States.
Thanks for joining me on this tour of the Allure of the Seas. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.